In this video, we will talk about the Brahmarandhra, a mystical concept from ancient Indian scriptures that is said to hold the key to the ultimate human experience. So let's dive in and explore what happens to our body and brain when we activate the Brahmarandhra. The Brahmarandhra is a small opening at the crown of our head, which is considered to be the gateway to higher consciousness. It is said that when this opening is activated, we can experience a state of blissful awareness that transcends the limitations of our physical existence. But what does this mean for our body and brain? To understand this, we need to look at the relationship between the brain and consciousness. Our brain is like a processor that receives and processes information from our senses and generates our experience of the world. But beyond this physical processing, there is something else happening that we call consciousness. Consciousness is the subjective experience of being aware of our thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. It is the feeling of I am that underlies all our perceptions and actions. And the Brahmarandhra is said to be the source of this consciousness, the place where our individual self merges with the universal consciousness. Yogis and mystics have long used meditation and other techniques to activate the Brahmarandhra and experience this state of consciousness. And modern research has also shown that certain parts of the brain are activated during meditation, indicating a shift in consciousness. When we activate the Brahmarandhra, we enter a state of heightened awareness and clarity. We become more sensitive to our surroundings, our thoughts and emotions become clearer, and we feel a sense of connection with the world around us. This can lead to a sense of inner peace, joy, and fulfillment that is beyond words. But this state of consciousness is not just a mental experience, it also has physical effects on our body. When we activate the Brahmarandhra, we release a flood of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which can boost our immune system, reduce stress, and promote healing. We may also experience changes in our breathing, heart rate, and brain waves, indicating a state of deep relaxation and calm. And over time, the regular practice of activating the Brahmarandhra can lead to long-term changes in our brain and body, improving our overall health and well-being. So whether you're a spiritual seeker or just someone looking to improve your mental and physical health, the Brahmarandhra is a powerful tool that can help you tap into the ultimate human experience. So take some time to explore the practice of meditation and see what wonders the opening of the Brahmarandhra can bring to your life.